AI projects fail because you're using old processes. If the thing you're automating is broken, you're automating failure into your company. You took old world processes and put them in new world automation tech. Garbage in, garbage out. What did you think was going to happen? I'm going to tell you a story from my personal history 20 years ago. I was a young puppy of a consultant, and I had this defense contractor as a client. They wanted me to automate a process. And back then, Workflow Foundation was all the rage. You could wrap the fourth dimension around documents and business data and process it in a portal. And so I built out my Visio swim lane diagram, documented each stakeholder at each phase gate, each process, weeks of research, multiple stakeholders as part of this digital transformation. They each signed it in blood. I built the thing, coded it up, deployed it to the enterprise, and it was live. And the IT director calls me in and says, "Hey, Devereaux, we're going to pay you for this, but this is never going to see the light of day." I said, "I'm sorry, sir, is there a problem with it?" And he said, "No, you built it exactly to specification. You hit every requirement, but you've trapped every single bad process, and now it's in our SaaS solution. You asked, what is our process? And what you should have asked is, what should our process be?" And this was an important lesson I had to learn about 20 years ago as an innovator, to challenge the status quo, because the technology is going to change, but our ability to change the social model behind the business model is what makes a good innovator and consultant.